Micro braids, a timeless and versatile hairstyle, involve intricate weaving of tiny, thin braids into your natural hair. With origins that can be traced back to various African cultures, these braids have gained global popularity for their elegant look and low-maintenance appeal. Unlock the secrets of stunning hair transformations through the 30 diverse micro braids hairstyles showcased in our comprehensive video, and then share your thoughts in the comments below. What are micro braids? Micro braids are small and thin braids created according to special African hair braiding techniques. These braids are usually made on natural hair, and as the name implies, are typically slenderer than regular braids. Micro braids hairstyles are protective and versatile as well, and include box braids, knotless braids, scalp braids, including cornrows, twists, feed-in braids, etc. How to do micro braids. Micro braids are made by parting your natural hair into tiny sections and weaving extensions into single braids or cornrows, depending on the style. It's common to add synthetic braiding hair to your natural hair when installing micro braids to give the braids more body, color, and/or length. It's important to note that the best hair for micro braids is natural hair that is neither too thin nor damaged. Make sure your hair strands are thick enough to handle micro braiding. Deep conditioning your hair before installing micro braids helps to minimize hair damage. How long do micro braids take? You guessed right. Due to how tiny the braids are, installing micro braids takes time, but the result is worth it. Depending on the hairstyle, your hairstylist may take up to 3 to 12 hours to finish braiding your micro braids hairstyle. How long do micro braids last? Your micro braids hairstyle can last for as long as 8 to 10 weeks, depending on the style and how well you maintain your hair. However, you should take the braids out after 8 weeks to avoid damaging your natural hair.